Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 4 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Over here select one of your apps like Maps, and as you can see in this little section there is Allow Maps to access. You can select one of the options like Location and pick one of the options over here. I will go with Never, so I have to click on this option and go back. As you can see, Maps no longer have access to my device location. If you want to change it, click on Location again and select any other option, like Ask Next Time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!